What's up, Rail fans? It's your boy, Rail from Mr. Fudge here, and welcome back to another O-Scale train unboxing video. And, yes, I got another piece of rolling stock, and you know what it is? Yes, guys, I got the New York Central passenger car. I'm serious. This is so amazing, isn't it, guys? This is epic, right, guys? Yeah, yeah, it was like I was like looking around the train loft store, and then suddenly I spotted it, and then suddenly it was like $50, and I was like, man, I'm gonna get this, and then I checked, but when I was in brand new box, it was $500. I'm like, what? So I decided, you know what? In the end, I'm gonna get this. This is so amazing because I really want to add this to my Pennsylvania Flyer set. Because this was so cool to do excursion with my Pennsylvania Railroad steam locomotive, which is over here. So yeah. So let's get out of the box and let's do this. All right, let's do this. Nice. Yo, this is so cool. Nice. Here she is. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. Holy moly. Wow, this is so cool. Holy smoke. Nice. New York Central. Nice, dude. Let's see if we can take this for a spin. And as for the box, bye-bye. Look, I didn't mean to do that, but I had to do it. So, yeah. Anyways, let's run this thing on my laptop. Now, we're going to delete this consist and put it aside. And let's add this coach and my caboose. Yes, guys. This needs to be added. Let's do this. Let's do this. Sometime in the future, I might have I'm thinking about buying a shelf to store all these. Sometime in the future, I'm thinking about doing that. So yeah, we'll see. Anyways, let's run this thing. Let's hook it up. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.